The watches that are shown in this video and or any watch that I review on this channel are not counterfeit. I do not and will not ever knowingly review any counterfeit watches on my channel. YouTube policy defines counterfeit items as follows. Counterfeit goods contain a trademark or logo that is identical to or substantially indistinguishable from the trademark of another. And YouTube also defines further that they mimic the brand features of the product in an attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. None of the items I review on this channel meet either one of these requirements. I do not review items that are identical in any way to any brand or that attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. These items are all purchased legally and are publicly available to anyone to purchase themselves. To the best of my knowledge, all of the watches that I review are made by companies that have done their research to make sure that the items they sell are legal. I do not produce these items, I only review them. Once again, the watches you see in this video and any watch you see on this channel reviewed by me is not and are not counterfeit items as defined by YouTube policy.
Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video, and I just wanted to say I hope everyone had a great weekend this weekend. It's been a beautiful weekend here in sunny Florida. Spent quite a bit of time at the beach this weekend, and it was a great weekend. So I also wanted to shout out to my current subscribers. I know you guys have been following this channel, and you've been very supportive over the past couple of weeks, and I really do appreciate all of that. And I do appreciate all of the likes and all of the comments and everything. And I could not be happier with the rate that this channel is growing. You guys are really, really helping me grow. I'm almost at 520 subscribers right now. And it's been just over 3 months. So I am so grateful to all you guys that have believed in this content and helped move this channel forward in the pace that it has been growing. If you're new to the channel, I do review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So you will not see the $1,000 watches and the $10,000 watches on this channel. What you will see are homage watches, and these watches will be a rendition. Most of them will be a rendition. They're not counterfeits. They will be a rendition of a much higher luxury brand in most cases. So you will see some nice looking watches here, something that you're not going to be ashamed to have on your wrist, something that's going to look nice, good quality watches. Typically review watches between the, anywhere from the $25 to the $100 to $150 range, and every once in a while you'll see something about $250 or $300 range, but I really don't try not to go much higher than that on this channel. I am Dave the Watchman. I am not a jeweler. I'm just a guy who likes his watches. I like to buy them, I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And if you're into that and you want to see more watches and watch review videos, then please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe so I can keep these videos coming to you. So without further ado, let's get into this one. This is a watch that I just did an unboxing on, and I did not like it. And I know it's an homage to a higher brand, a higher luxury brand. It's actually an homage to a Seiko watch. But personally, for me, it was just not something that I was very partial to. Like I said, this is a great watch. When I opened it up in the unboxing, it is a great watch. It's by addiesdive, and addiesdive really does a great job with their watches. So if you are into this style of watch, then this is definitely a buy for you guys. For me personally, it's not my style of watch. And as you can see by some of the watches that I have displayed here, it's just going to be a little bit different than these watches. So here it is. It's an homage to a Seiko monster. It is not a counterfeit. It is not a clone. It does not copy identically, and it does not steal the Seiko logo. So it is not a direct replica or a counterfeit. It is its own version. It's very similar, but not exactly the same as a Seiko monster. It even has, one of the biggest differences, the Seiko monster has a solid orange dial. This one has a faded black kind of ring around the dial. So it's not identical to a Seiko monster. However, it is a close rendition of that watch. Very, very nice quality watches, these guys at addiesdive. They really do a great job on these watches. This is a very good quality watch. What you're getting here, this is, for the price point, a really, really good watch. I mean, this bracelet is solid. It's got the safety clasp. I haven't even unwrapped this thing completely yet, but just to let you know, sapphire crystal on this NH35A Seiko movement. Wonderful, wonderful watch. I'm not sure what the lume looks like on this thing, but I can only imagine that it's pretty bright. I mean, these Seiko, I'm sorry, these addiesdive watches, they're pretty nice. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open this up for you guys so you can kind of take a look at it. Um, and let me know what you guys think about it. Like I said, for me, it's just not something that I want to wear. And there's my buddy Schrodie. He's got to come in and be part of the video and shake the camera. Get your butt out of the way, buddy. It's my buddy Schrodie. He likes to be part of everything I do. So I'm going to open this up. And let's see here. Okay, yeah, this is a really sharp looking watch, guys. It does look a lot more crisp and clean now that that wrap is off of it. Very nice dial, very tight dial. Very good weighted watch. It's very nice. You know, say hi and say bye, okay, buddy? All right, come on. Guys, it's a great quality watch. I mean, if you're looking for something along the lines of that styling, this is a good option. I mean, I know there's a couple of other ones out there that also run along that same style line, but this is a great quality watch, guys. Like I said, the NH35A movement, it's automatic, sapphire crystal, solid link bracelet, really great watch. The only thing I would have probably preferred on this thing would have been a milled clasp. I really think that they should, you know, especially these addiesdives, because I know they make the milled clasps and they're really nice. They could have put a nicer clasp on this thing, but it's a great watch nonetheless. It's it's got the safety on it. It's a good quality watch for the money. You're gonna pay I believe 170, somewhere in that range right now on Amazon. And I will post a link to this in the description below, so you can pick one up. Somewhere in the neighborhood between 160 and 180. So that's a great watch, especially for the specs on this thing. I mean, it is just a wonderful watch. It's even got the screw down crown, winding crown. It winds up really nice. Feels great when you're winding it. Let's set the date on this thing. It's what, the 27th today. So let's get the date set on that. Really good feel when you're setting the date. The day. So we got Monday. So I mean, it's a wonderful watch, especially that nice sweeping second hand. Really sharp colors on this thing. Very nice. Like I said, just not my style. It's not something I would want to wear. But you can see what the watches that I typically like are. They're not as colorful as this one is. But like I said, hey, everybody likes different style watches. Everybody likes what they like. And like I said before, I like watches some other people don't like. Some other people like watches that I don't particularly like. But nonetheless, I will post a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and check it out if you're interested in purchasing a watch that does follow the trend lines of a Seiko monster. And like I said, this is not a counterfeit, guys. This is not a counterfeit, and it's not a clone. This is an addiesdive watch. It doesn't pretend to be a Seiko, and it is not a Seiko. So if you guys like it, head on over to davethewatchman.com. You can see my latest reviews on davethewatchman.com. You can also see links to all the watches I've reviewed here on this channel. And affiliate links to each watch on davethewatchman.com. And like I said, they are affiliate links. They don't cost you anything extra to click on them, but it does send $1 or $2 over to me if you decide to purchase it through the affiliate link. And I would definitely appreciate that. So if you're looking to buy one of these, clicking on that affiliate link, it really does help out the channel. So like I said, if you're new to this channel and you like this content, please give the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos. And until next time, I am Dave the Watchman with my buddy Shrody, who's absolutely driving me crazy during this video, this entire video actually. But cats are awesome. They're the best pets. I love this little guy, and he couldn't be a better cat. And I will see you guys in the next watch review video. Dave the Watchman, I am out of here. Have a great night.